Okay, we're gonna go over these number lines and these number lines, and then you guys are gonna show me everything you know on these next two slides, okay? So let's go over these number lines, all right? So where the box is, that is where it's wanting us to put the your answer. That's the fraction that it's wanting us to represent. So I'm gonna start off by doing my little jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know that I have 4 spaces on my number line, so I know that that's going to be my denominator, okay? Now, where does my jump land? What space is the fraction asking us to represent? 1, 2, 3. So my numerator, is 3 and my denominator is 4. So my fraction is 3/4. Okay, let's look at our next one. What's the first step in doing this? Figuring out your denominator. If that's what you said, awesome job. Okay, we have to figure out our denominator. And how do I figure out my denominator? I'm going to count the spaces. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 spaces. Okay. And then where my fraction or where this box is going to be what it's asking me to represent. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. So the fraction here is 4/7. Okay, let me erase this really quickly. Let me do this next one. All right, it's going to be the same process, okay? It's going to be the same process. So, what are we going to do first? We're going to count our spaces. Good job. 1, 2, 3. Those are not very neat, Mrs. Garza. Let me do that one more time. 1, that's a little bit better. 2, 3. So I know that 3 is going to be my numerator or my denominator. 3 is going to be your denominator. Good job. And your denominator goes down, so it's on the bottom, okay? And then I'm going to count until I get to where this box is, which is what the fraction is asking me to represent. Okay? 1, 2. So that is going to be my, what do we call this? Top number? Our numerator. Good job. So this fraction represents 2/3. Okay? And then I've got 2 more to do. Hang in there. We're almost done. All right? So I'm going to do my next one. What do I need to do first? We need to count our spaces to figure out our denominator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now what do I need to do? Yes, I need to count the spaces to where the box is. So that's 1, 2, 3. So my numerator is 3. Okay, and then I have one last one. All right, I'm going to count my spaces. 1, 2. That is going to be the denominator. And then where does my box land? How many spaces? Just 1. So this fraction is 1/2. This fraction was 3/6 and 2/3. Okay, awesome job. Now it's going to be your turn to go and, it's going to be your turn to go match these cards where they go on the appropriate boxes. All right. Again, if you guys have any questions, please send me a message. That's what I am here to do and to help you guys. Have fun.